Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video showing you guys my attempt at headlight restoration. This is my Tacoma, and the headlights are pretty yellow and gross, so I just bought this this 3M headlight restoration kit, and it looks like it comes with one disc pad holder, which is this. I just put it on the drill. It's just this part right here. This is at one of the pads right there, but 6 of these sandpaper pads, 4 of a finishing white one, so 4 of these finishing ones, 1 refining disc, and then this one is for the compound at the end. So basically I'm gonna clean the headlights with just glass cleaner, just go through each step and see how this turns out at the end. Per another YouTube video I watched, I'm gonna put some tape around the outside of the headlight to protect from basically buffing, because you're going to be using this to sand the actual headlight, so I don't want to mess up the paint or anything. So yeah, that's all we're doing now. Alright, so that was 3 of the sand pads. Now I'm going to move on to this, what do they call it? They call it a white finishing pad, so I'll probably use 1 on each headlight. It came with 4, so hopefully I'll have 2 left for another car. Also, taping that was a great idea because the drill sometimes is kind of hard to get right along the edge without it jumping over and getting onto your paint, so luckily it's hitting the tape instead of my paint. But yeah, you'd be sanding your paint or buffing your paint, so not good. Alright, that is the end of step 3, and now I just do the final step, which is usually putting on this compound. And sorry the lighting changed a little bit, but this good light just died, so I think it looks a lot better already. For the compound, I have kind of 2 settings. One's like a lower speed, and then one's higher RPMs, I guess, or speed. But just for the last one, for all the other ones I was using it kind of on the lower setting because I didn't want to sand it too much or get it too hot. But for this last one, I do a last round with the higher setting. So just clean it off, but then I'm going to just do a little bit more of the compound and the speed one just to really clean things up. Well, apparently I forgot to put an ending to the video, but this is kind of the final product. So it helped a bunch, but in my opinion, if I use the whole, basically, I have enough left to do another car and get those headlights either like a little bit better, or do that car and make those pretty much looking brand new. But I think it cleaned it up enough that I'm gonna save it and use it for Allie's car, because her headlights are pretty bad too. But I think if I had used all the product instead of half of everything, the headlights would be a little bit more clear. But yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.